Alright guys, we're taking the covers off. We're going to take the wrap off, and we bought carbon fiber covers that go over top the mirror cover. And just going to replace them real quick and see how it looks. Hopefully it turns out good because we'll be taking the wrap off. Oh wait, who cares if I rip the wrap off? Alright, there you go.
Yeah, now I am.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take off our wrap on our mirror covers, unfortunately. I think the problem is that the carbon fiber covers are big, but the wrap adds like one little layer on top. So it makes it too big on there. So this is actually coming off pretty easy. Oh dude, I'm gonna end up going out there unwrapping the whole car because I miss this red.
Take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me.
Time to put them back on. I hate this part. Boom. Looks like that's actually a chip.
Well, I'll clean it.
No, it's a chip.
Oh, well, yeah. I think there's one on the other side too.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put our mirror covers on. Taking our little plastic pieces off our tape. Guys, so we got all our tape out and off. Supposed to use primer adhesion promoter. Surface treatment first cleaned with an appropriate solvent or toluene. Primer coating. Coat with a clean felt or brush. The amount of hard Fuck it, let's just do it. What's up, buddy? There you go. Yep. Alright guys, so we got our second one off. All our 3M tape off. Dude, I don't like shit right now. And we're going to go ahead and carefully apply it. Hopefully covering all the red on the first go. Sticky. Boom. Looks good. And the only time you can see the red's like from right here. You know what I mean? And even if you can see the red and black. All right, guys. So this is just a quick little video. We're trying to. Jesus, look at that. Oh, fuck that thing. Okay, so yeah, we're slowly starting to put carbon fiber on the car. Maybe because one of these days when this wrap comes off, I want it to look red and carbon. And these are cheap. By cheap, I mean, you know, $250, $150. So yeah, but there's small things that we can do easily, and I think it looks freaking amazing already. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful evening.
See you next.